Hello everybody, today we are going to speak about how to make automatic door like that and how to open automatic any door like that. So after you cross, so automatic closed. So just come here, open, close, automatic. So you can add sound effect and you can do anything. So before we start, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and make sure you make like for my video and let's get started. First of all, we need to create new level basic create. Okay, save. Okay, now we have empty level. You can create your own door or you can download any static mesh from any area. Okay, and we can rotate it. So now I have a static mesh. I download it from a website. Okay, you can download it from any website, 3D website. So this is a static mesh, normal static mesh. This is right, left, and top. We need to animate all of those. Okay, left and right and top, and this it will not animate. Okay, the best way to do that, we need to make one actor and we can repeat it all time. So now right click, blueprint class, actor, and make it door 2 and as you like any name. So now we have all of those meshes. So select all of them. If you have 100 mesh, add a static mesh, multiply, asset. Okay, so now we have our static mesh. So now we need to add box collision. When our actor come to this area, the door will open. When he cross, the door will close. So add box collision. Okay, make it here. Okay, box collision. Scale it. Good. Okay, when our actor come to this area, the door will open. So right click on box. Okay, right click and add event on component begin overlap what he will do. So we need to drag and drop. So this is left and right and top. This is our static mesh. We if you come for example to right door here and right click set relative location. Okay, now we have x and y and z. So this is my right door. If we come to this area, you will see here this is value is moving here. So for example, if you come 120, okay, now we need to oh, okay, now I need to make this value 102. Sorry, connect this one, compile, save. If you come to this area now, come here. So look, the door is opened, but the animation is not perfect. We need to improve this animation. So come here, okay, add timeline, okay, add timeline. So now we need to go to this area, double click, and we need to add float track. Okay, so the animation maybe 1 second, 2 seconds, 3 seconds, as you like the duration. So we will make it 2 seconds. Okay, now we have 2 seconds. The first second 0. Okay, and last second we will make our value 1. Okay, so I need our animation to will be smooth. Okay, so select all of them, right click and make break. So I don't need it. So this is animation name. Now right click, so you can write your animation, for example anim value or x value or as you like, value 1, value 1 as the okay. So this is value 1. You can, we need to connect this value to right mesh. So if you come here, Now we need to connect this play update. So this X value we need to, so I have X1 and Z. So I need to add animation just for X value. So split. Okay, now so now we need to make simple process. Okay, so come to this value and make X, sorry, multiply. Now our value here, how much? 100. Okay, and this value 1, maybe minus 1, minus 100. Okay, so it will be the same. Okay, 100. So I need to make them this. So now we need to make our animation 100. Okay, and we need to connect this value to X value. Okay, or you can add different value. For example, if you need to make it manual, you can add variable and connect it here. For example, you can add any variable, for example value. Okay, but I mean, as you like, get value here and you can connect it here, compile and write your value. For example, here the same. Okay, you can delete it and write your value 100, as you like, this and or this. So now we have three mesh. We need to animate them. So top and right. Okay, this top and right. Okay, we need to copy. Okay, set relative location. Okay, spell it, or you can copy this one to the same. Okay, copy, copy. Okay, now we have, this is target for right. Okay, sorry, so this is right and left, maybe we just, sorry. Okay, target right and left. So now we need to make sure, yeah, arrange your work. Okay, here. Now we need to make the same. Okay, if you come here, okay, multiply and connect here to left. Okay, with X value, and we need to make it -1, -100. Okay, and we need to connect it here. Okay, this is for left door here. Okay, -100, and we need to, for X value. So now we need to make animation for this one to be from here. So this is Z value. Okay, Z value. So 127. Okay, so you will come here, multiply. Okay, or you can come from this area, multiply and connect here with Z axis. Okay, now we say 127. Okay, now our animation is working. This is right and left, and this is for top animation. Combine. So make sure you come to this and make here, connect this with this one and this with this one. Okay, after this animation, connect to this and to this, so it will working nice. Save, close, play. Come here. Wow, working amazing. But the problem here, we need to close this door. How can we do that? The easy way to do that, okay, go double click. So when you end, so delete all of them, we don't need it. Box end overlap, I need to close the door. So add component end overlap. So here, okay, come to this area, reverse. Okay, all of this animation it will reversed. So compile. Okay, now come here. Open, close, open, close. Now I need to add a little bit sound effect to our door. Now play sound. Okay, nice. So choose your sound. For example, maybe this one. Okay, combine, close. Ready? Play. Wow, amazing work. So I will do all of this for every door. No, no, just we need to come here. Yeah, just repeat your work, or you can insert in any area like that. Okay. Now we have amazing. Uh, okay. Here, nice, good, amazing, nice. Wow. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe for my channel and like for my video. See you in the next video. Take care. Salam alaikum.